This makes video 25. If this was a television series, it would be called a season. I learned a lot, both on cooking food and filming videos. In this video, I decided to go back to the beginning, to revisit the first video and apply everything I've learned. So I bring you Beef Biscuit Bake, 2nd edition. Beef Biscuit Bake, 2nd edition. Ingredients include 1 pound of Hamburg, 1 cup of frozen corn, 1 cup of frozen peas, 1 small and 1 regular can of cream-style corn, 1 bag of shredded cheese, any kind you like, 1 box of baking mix. Each kind of baking mix varies as to what additional ingredients it needs. Sometimes it's milk, sometimes it's water, maybe some butter. Follow the directions on the box. But 1 serving of biscuits should be good. But you can adjust as you feel is needed. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. When it comes to baking the biscuit, it's important to follow the instructions on the baking mix packaging. Place the skillet on the stove under medium heat. Start cooking and scrambling the Hamburg. Cover to continue cooking. Fill the saucepan with water about 3/4 of the way. Place the saucepan on the stove under medium heat. Bring water to a boil. Check on the Hamburg, scramble and shift. Prepare a colander. Check on the water, see if it's boiling. Check on the Hamburg, scramble and shift. Spray a baking dish with cooking spray. When the hamburger is ready, strain the hamburger into the colander. Add the strained hamburger to the baking dish. Return the colander to the sink. When the water is boiling, add 1 cup of frozen corn and 1 cup of frozen peas. Boil the vegetables for 5 minutes. Now make your biscuit batter. It's important to follow the instructions on the baking mix box. Add 2 cups of baking mix to the bowl. Add 1 cup of milk, add 2 tablespoons of softened or melted butter. Mix the batter. The batter is ready. Strain the now boiled vegetables into the colander. Add the cooked vegetables to the baking dish. Open the 2 cans of cream-style corn. Add the cream-style corn to the baking dish. Careful not to add too much cream-style corn. Too much will create soupy results. Add the shredded cheese. Pour the biscuit batter on top of the baking dish mixture. If the batter doesn't cover all 4 corners of the baking dish, don't worry. Remember that the batter will expand in the oven. Place the baking dish into the oven for 30 minutes. Or follow the instructions on your baking mix box. When time is up, remove the baking dish from the oven. Cut into servings. And enjoy.